Wow.
I cannot believe this is happening.
Buckle up and get ready to ride.
It's really, really weird. Isn't that like a racetrack or a testing facility? We are fully in the center of San Francisco.
On any of our cruise AVs, we have LiDAR, we have radar, and we have cameras. And what we do is we fuse all those together using machine learning, and that gives us this amazing understanding of the world around us.
Well, this is interesting. Okay, there's a bus in our lane, and there are cars to our left. So what's it going to do? Oh. Okay, it's pulling out left. Oh, and now the bus is coming out right. It really doesn't know what to do. Oh, there's a car behind us. Like, this is just bad driving. This is, I was ready to love this, and I'm definitely nervous.
These vehicles are still somewhat in the test phase, and we believe that manufacturers need to provide the public with some sort of transparent evidence that these vehicles aren't going to cause problems, deaths, or injuries on the road.
We are 6 months into deploying this product, brand new game-changing product, and with that comes some early teething problems. We're really proud of our safety record, and we report continuously to our regulators, and safety absolutely is the top priority at Cruise.
Bye.